come in here.
As you see, hither to tell me.
Good thing we found you instead of them. What you got there? Something to share?
Please, no, it's all I have. Please.
It's a fair trade for saving your life, Jack.